Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you how to create TikTok videos easy. Are you looking for an easy way to make TikTok videos in 2023? Well, stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, we are now we are now in Canva. Again, sign up, sign in, and bang, there you go. But before we do the TikTok, click on Try Canva Pro because it's very well worth it. It's very affordable, right? You can start a free trial, I think, for 30 days. So how much is it, you may ask? Well, click on Canva Pro. Scroll down, as you can see, 2490 in Philippine money. That is around 60 bucks a year. A year for one person, which is like 556 bucks monthly. So what do you get in Canva Pro, right? If you click on start free trial, you're gonna be prompted, right? But whatever. So you get unlimited access to premium templates and 100 million premium stock photos, videos, audio, graphics, and more. Establish your brand's visual identity, with logos, colors, and fonts with up to 100 brand kits. Resize designs and infinitely with Magic Resize. These are pretty much like their new AI tools. More AI powered design tools like Magic Eraser, Magic Write, BeatSync, and more. Schedule social media content to 8 platforms. Cloud storage of 1 terabyte, which is pretty huge, and 24-hour customer support. So that's pretty much what you're getting on Canva Pro, and it is well worth it. It is well worth it. It is very cheap. If you're an entrepreneur, an influencer, or a small business, this is well worth your money because you don't need to go to different platforms to like, oh, I'm gonna need to do this in Premiere Pro. I'm gonna need to do this in Photoshop. I'm gonna need to do this in TikTok. Like you can just do it in one place, which is just Canva, and that's why in these videos, even though we're not sponsored, I still go by with this because like it's very easy to use. It's very user friendly. The interface is very simple, so you don't need experience in graphic design or video editing or whatever. So with that said, let's go search for TikTok story. Or just TikTok. I mean, let's go back and just type in TikTok, right? And you can see here TikTok dance, followers, travel. TikTok story is what we want. And as you can see here, this is the dimensions. If you want to make TikTok videos outside of the app or the platform, it is 1080 by 1920, right? So click on that. And to make TikToks, you have a lot of ready-made presets. Some of them are paid, like this one. If you see a template that you like, but it has a crown, a small yellow crown on the lower right corner, like this one, and you hover it, it says Pro. That is Canva Pro. That is locked behind Canva Pro. You need to be subscribed to Canva Pro for you to be able to use this one. And as you can see, there's a lot of we're just gonna go one by one. This is for a fashion thrift store. As you can see, you can just use this, just use the template, change the assets, the film, the videos, and you can make this on your own. Black and white minimalist. Again, another seems like a vintage fashion TikTok. Morning routine. There you go. Another like autumn fashion. Daily reminder. This is like quotes. Right? Another quote one. Travel. This one's for travel. It's Canva Pro, so most of the time Canva Pro ones are really good. This is for health and food nutrition. This is for a product that is coming soon. New arrival for health and wellness. There's a lot of things here. Follow me. So for us, personal brand of things, kids cooking adventure. So yeah, so for kids cooking apparently. So there's a lot of things you can do. Thanks for watching. So this is like a template after at the end of the TikTok ice cream, right? Try me menu for a massage parlor. Uh, no, we're open for like a Chinese restaurant or something, Asian restaurant. Fashion again, and then like another life quote: "Self, live your life to the fullest." This is pretty. Dogs are always nice. And then new smartphone TikTok, like you have different colors and the specifics of the phone. So there's a lot of things you can do with TikToks, right? There's a lot of TikToks here that you can use. Especially it's mostly for business because like TikTok is one of the best. Like people think like it's 2023. People think that TikTok is just for kids now. Like a lot of brands, a lot of businesses market via TikTok because just so many people are just using it daily. Like billions of people, not millions, billions of people use it. So this is for like if you have a TikTok account, if you're a streamer, live stream, like we can edit this and say live now, right? Live now, and then go to maybe we can do that. Let's try doing that. Um, let's do that, right? And then yeah, that's pretty much it. There you go, live now on Twitch, right? Let's As you can see, there you go. You don't need effects. It's already there. You just need to change the thing, right? Come hang out, right? There you go. Let's play it. Banana Bandit plays. Come hang out. Live now on Twitch. Right? That's pretty much it. That's how you create, like this is a TikTok, like instead of like just tweeting, because a lot of people tweet I'll live now on Twitch. Like if you have a TikTok, you can do that if you have a following so that they'd know, right? Pretty cool. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.